The next tip I want to show to you is the tip of the Ableton Live default set, or better said, the live set template. And this is a live set on which you can create your favorite groups, your favorite tracks in amount and with already loaded in plugins. And this is very, very useful if you want to work fast and get fast to doing, but without to just need to set up all the things every time new. And this set will ever be loaded in every time you hit or make a new live set. This is very useful, and the way you're doing this is you select your favorite configuration or build up your favorite configuration and go to the preferences. I've made it with shortcut, but you can go here. You can go here to the preferences, and under the file folder tab, we got here the option save current set as default. And with this option, we can make this effect. Overwrite the default set. This is every time because this will ask you every time because Ableton got already a default live set in, and this is the track with you already seen with 2 MIDI tracks and 2 audio tracks and nothing really important in with the returns, the 2 returns, the reverb and the delay. This is the default set, but I've already made this, so I choose OK. And every time I hit now, new live set, this live set will be loaded in.